Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Before I forget, Jamie fixed the camera. There's no more spots in the lens. So she took the whole camera apart and got the sawdust out of the lens. So it saved me a bunch of money, so I don't have to buy a new camera. I actually had sold my my big bear sign with Chainsaw Chads. I'll quick show you here in a minute. This sign, I sold the sign to one guy and I sold the bear to another guy. So the bear, I actually have to carve a new sign for it. It says Woody's Camp, and he's gonna be picking that up sometime soon. And so I have to go out to the woods today, out to the property, and cut down some trees for a new sign. What I'm thinking, let me grab a piece of paper and pencil and I'll draw it out for you, just give you a rough idea. Alright, so let's see if I can do this holding the camera. And what I'm thinking, I'm going to need what my sign is going to look like here. This is really rough. So this post here, and I need another post over here. These will be about 7 foot tall. Then I'm going to do another log here, which will be about 6 foot, and then also a smaller log right there, so that'll be about 3. This one will be about, I'd say about 5, and then the smaller log over here, and then the sign will actually go across the top. It says Chainsaw Chads. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then I was also thinking maybe an eagle on top of there, an eagle on top of there. So that'd be my sign. So I'd have 3 logs there, 3 logs here. The sign across the top, eagle, eagle. So we gotta go out to the woods today and cut some trees, haul them back, peel them, get them going, get them drying, and take them downstate. All right, guys, we made it out to the property. Kind of time warped here. Yeah, now is the hard part, trying to find the perfect tree for this. This sign is going to the new place downstate. Yeah, I sold my other bear, so I don't have to haul it all the way down there. Alright, I'll grab my chainsaw and let's go see if we can find a tree. Alright, I found this one here. Perfect diameter. It's close to the truck too. I got it right on the trail here, so it'll be easy getting out. That's one thing I got to do is, you know, we're going to be cutting some 7-footers. 7 foot, 5 foot, and 3 foot. So I got to kind of have them easy access. So I'm thinking this one might be a good one. I'm probably going to need 2 of them. Really, I need the base part of it, but the top part I'll probably use for more owls and feathers. Pumpkins, I'm going to start doing some pumpkins because that season's coming up. But yeah, I'll keep looking for another one. I think I'm going to take that one. Alright, I think I found another one. It's actually on the road. It'd be really easy to get to. I'm thinking this one right there. It's not very tall, but I just pretty much need the base part. I'll use the top for other things. So I'll keep looking though. But that might be the second tree we cut. for the first cut, we need a 7 foot. I'm going to go a little bit past 7 foot. Just because I'm not sure if these are perfectly straight or not. But yeah, let's do just over 7 foot. And we'll mark it. Got 5, 6, 7. So now underneath the tree, it's all, there's nothing, no ground hitting there. So when I cut this tree is going to want to go down. What I'm going to want to do is cut on the top first, and then once it starts, the crack starts to close. I'll try to show it in the video, but I'm going to pull the saw out and start cutting from the bottom, and that will relieve all the pressure, and it'll just drop straight down. Alright, so we got the 7 footer, and we need a 5 and a 3. So I'll mark those out and we'll get them cut. Alright, now we got the fun part of hauling them out. I got them all cut up. Start with the 7 footer here, see if we can get this one tipped up and to the road. Take a little break here and grab some water. Sometimes when I have something I gotta get done, I come out here to carve. This is one of my carving spots. I have another one back in the woods quite a ways yet. All right, let's go ahead and cut tree number 2. Hopefully we'll get it to fall that way. This wind's pretty strong, so we'll see what we can do. So my blade is getting pretty dull. I must have hit some dirt probably. Starting to cut crooked. But I'll do the best I can because I can't really go back. It's too far to drive back to get a new chain. So just gonna deal with what I got. Yeah, let's quick finish limbing this tree up and cut it to size and load it up and we'll get going. Alright, I think we got a load. Bring back to the shop here. So usually I'll head back to the shop, and I'm almost sure somebody will ask me if I took the day off today or slept in. I always get that, but I work 7 days a week, non-stop. I sleep well at night. I really believe the work that you put into something, you'll get 2-3 times folds over. If you put in the work, you'll get it back, guaranteed. Might not come right away, but it will. And we'll head back to the shop and unload the logs, peel them. Yeah, peel. That's gonna be a lot of work there. Alright guys, we made it back to the shop. I'm gonna unload the trailer, start peeling some logs. I'm sure you guys don't want to see me peeling all the logs. Might get kind of boring. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks again to all the subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, I will see you guys next week Tuesday, and thanks for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next Tuesday.